Italy and France and all the other European countries are at the same time EU member states, but at the same time they are competitors, especially in the logistics sector. So what we should do to have a very good opportunity for the future, for the decarbonization also, but especially for the economics and for the sustainable development of our territories.
Well, this is not a very easy question, is it? As you rightfully said, we are member states, and at the end of the day, we may be competing. But there are ways to cooperate, and I strongly believe in cooperation. As an example, in the Mediterranean, the port of Marseille, Italian ports, Spanish ports are cooperating together through the association Med Ports. And this can be very beneficial, of course, to the ports and to the communities. I think that we are in an era nowadays where digitalization is a must, because this is the way to exchange information together and to be stronger in this respect. So, of course, when we're looking at automation and that sort of modern ways in order to gain productivity, this has to be done also with men and women. And I strongly believe that working together, once again, cooperating together in finding ways in order at the same time to meet the requirements in terms of production, um, this is most certainly the way forward.